going to be making Valentine's cards, and we're going to be practicing cutting hearts, all kinds of hearts. Let's go.
First, let's learn how to cut out a heart. You're going to need a piece of paper and a scissor. Fold the paper in half. On the side that's folded, you are going to use a pencil or marker to draw a diagonal line, not a horizontal line, and a diagonal line. Once you're done, you're going to draw a bumpy line, and this bumpy line will connect to your diagonal line. And now we're ready to cut. And there we have a heart. This is also called the positive space. And look, this is the negative space. We can also use this when we make art. And now let's make all kinds of hearts. You can use any kind of paper. Here's a regular heart. Here's a small one. Now I'm going to layer 2 pieces and cut 2 identical hearts. Now I'm going to cut a heart out of a heart. Now I'm going to trace the heart and make a thin heart. Now I'm folding the paper into a fan. I'm going to draw a diagonal line that touches both ends and a curvy line that touches both ends. And there I have a string of hearts. Now I'm going to cut a small string of hearts with a smaller fan. This is going to make me lots of small hearts. I do the same diagonal line, same curvy line, and cut on the line. Now I'm going to make lots of multiples by cutting papers that have been stacked together. And I'm ready to glue. I start with the bigger shapes first. And then I move the pieces around to play with composition. Composition is a decision you make as an artist of where things are going to go. I then add the words I love you and te amo, which is I love you in Spanish, and draw in some tiny hearts for decorations.
I hope you had fun. That was super fun. So now you can go and make a card for everyone you love.